Today, I am reviewing the Canon RF 50mm f1.8 STM mirrorless lens. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Canon RF 50mm f1.8 STM is more than just a lens. It is an essential piece of glass that every Canon EOS R system user should own. Often referred to as the Nifty Fifty, this lens continues a long legacy of being the most versatile and valuable tool in a photographer's bag. Having used this lens across several mirrorless bodies, including the EOS R6 and the R8, I am consistently impressed by how much punch this tiny package packs. The first thing you notice is the size and weight. It is incredibly compact, making your full-frame mirrorless setup feel almost like a point-and-shoot in terms of portability. This is the lens you keep on your camera when you want to travel light or capture candid moments without the intimidating presence of a massive professional zoom lens. When it comes to image quality, the RF 50mm f1.8 STM punches way above its weight class. The fixed 50mm focal length is legendary for a reason. It provides a perspective that very closely mimics the human eye, which gives your photos a natural and relatable feel. The large f1.8 aperture is the real star of the show here. It allows an incredible amount of light to hit the sensor, which is a total game changer for low-light photography. Whether you are shooting in a dimly lit restaurant or capturing the city at dusk, this lens allows you to keep your ISO lower and your shutter speeds faster than any kit zoom ever could. Furthermore, that wide aperture creates a beautiful, creamy background blur that makes your subjects pop. For portrait photography, the bokeh is smooth and professional, turning a messy background into a soft, artistic canvas. The autofocus system is powered by Canon's stepping motor technology, specifically the gear type STM. In my testing, I found the focus to be snappy and reliable for still photography. However, where the STM really shines is in video production. The focus transitions are smooth and near silent, which is critical if you are using the internal microphone or working in a quiet environment. It tracks subjects with a natural cadence that does not feel robotic or jarring. Another brilliant design choice is the inclusion of a dedicated control ring on the lens barrel. This ring can be customized to change your aperture, ISO, or exposure compensation on the fly, allowing for a more tactile and intuitive shooting experience that keeps your eye on the viewfinder rather than digging through digital menus. Canon has clearly optimized the lens coatings and element placement for the mirrorless mount. I have noticed excellent color balance and a significant reduction in ghosting and flare compared to older versions of this lens. Even when shooting toward the sun, the contrast remains high and the images stay crisp. While it is not an L-series luxury lens, the sharpness at the center of the frame is remarkable even when shot wide open at f1.8. Stopping down to f2.8 or f4 turns this into a razor-sharp tool for landscapes and street photography. It is compatible with the entire EOS R line, from the entry-level R100 to the professional R3, making it a future-proof investment as you grow within the system. In conclusion, the RF 50mm f1.8 STM is a masterpiece of balance between performance and price. It provides the low-light capability and shallow depth of field that every photographer needs to take their work to the next level. It is durable, lightweight, and produces images with a character that zoom lenses simply cannot replicate at this price point. If you are looking for your first prime lens or a reliable backup that you can carry all day without fatigue, this lens is an absolute must-buy. It reminds us that you do not need to spend thousands of dollars to achieve professional results and a beautiful cinematic look.